Hello everyone, hope you are doing great. This is your channel Tech Unleashed and we bring tools that are interesting and relatively new. So let's get started. So whenever we work with APIs, the first tool that comes to our mind is Postman that is used to test your APIs. But that's not the only tool to test APIs. In fact, there are many. And I came across a tool called Thunder Client that is new and a Postman alternative. It's not a separate application, but it's a GUI based extension for Visual Studio Code that has a simple and clean design. You can test your APIs without leaving your editor. Its main features include that it is a lightweight and it has a feature called Scriptless Testing, in which you don't need to write code. You just select a couple of drop downs to do most standard tests very easily without any scripting knowledge. It is also getting many praises from the developers, and you should go check it out and follow them on Twitter for more updates. If you want to appreciate them, go ahead and give them a star at GitHub and open up an issue if you face any problems. The link of the tool will be in the description, and please like, share and comment on the video and subscribe for more interesting videos like this. Fi Amanillah.